Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you how to install WordPress using Softaculous installer. Now, once you are logged into your cPanel, or if you are wondering how you can log into your cPanel account, visit your domain. Okay, so the domain that your hosting provider provided for you, and add in a /cPanel and just hit on enter. Now this is kind of the interface you see, and then you'll be routed to a page to log in, just like this. Okay, so you enter your username as well as that of your password, and once you are done, you can go ahead and then log in. Now this page or this domain is currently empty, so return to your cPanel account. In order to install WordPress, navigate to softwares, and under softwares you will see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Go ahead and click on that, and then you are rerouted to this page right here for WordPress management. Click on install, and now you will be redirected to this page to install your WordPress account. Now right here, make sure you are selecting the right protocol, HTTPS. It's on the domain that you want to install the WordPress, which in my case is learnwithdave.xyz. But if you want to create a subdomain where you install WordPress, you can go ahead and do that. So you create that subdomain in your cPanel account and do the installation. Take off this directory right there, okay? And right here on admin account, please enter a valid or a secure admin details that you can use always to access your WordPress. Now make sure you edit this information. So I'm going to change all that you are seeing here. Right here, type in your admin name that you want to use. Okay, so I'm just typing in my admin and enter the right password. Okay, so enter a password, a very secured password where someone will not be able to use it to log into your cPanel account. So I'm entering my password right there, and as you can see, I have a strong password as compared to the one that was bad. Now once you have entered your right password, your admin email, make sure you check this. Now if you don't have an email ID in your cPanel account, just like I have at admin@learnwithdave.xyz, you can go ahead and move on to your cPanel account and then add that email ID. Once you are done, let's scroll to the bottom, and then as you can see, there are other plugins that you can add. Okay, so you have advanced options and select themes. Now you can do this after the installation process, so I'm just going to go ahead and complete the installation. So click on install, and as you can see, the installation is taking place right now. All right, so once the installation is complete, you will be rerouted to this page right here. Now on this page, you can return to your WordPress manager or return to overview. Okay, so right here in your WordPress overview page, now you have a ton of information that you can read here. Okay, but if you scroll to the bottom right here, you have all current installations. Now if you had multiple domains or subdomains that you had created and installed WordPress, they will all be listed right here. Now you realize that right here our domain was empty when we first visited. Now right after installing WordPress, if you open that domain, now there's a default web page that came with the installation, and as you can see, this is it. If anyone visits your domain, this will display at their end. Now what we are going to do is to look at how you can log into your WordPress admin area and proceed to customize this web page. Now right here in your WordPress overview page, under options you see WordPress. Go ahead and click on that, and then you will be rerouted to this WordPress management page once more. Now right here you can log in directly into your WordPress manager, and there's a list of settings here including updating your WordPress version. Now what we installed was version 5.5.5, but if you want to upgrade that version, you can go ahead and do that. Now right here, let's go ahead and scroll to the top, and then you can click right here to log into your, or to log in directly into your WordPress manager. So go ahead and click on that. And right here on this page, you can then install all of the plugins and manage your WordPress. That is if you have knowledge on how to use WordPress. Now, once you are done, you can always publish that information and your WordPress will be updated. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this process of installing Softaculous or installing WordPress using Softaculous. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and I'll bring you more videos in the future.